Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy, and today we're going to be talking about HTML styles. Okay, so now we want to go into styles properly. Okay, and which is CSS. Okay, and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Okay, CSS saves a lot of work. It really saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. Okay, all at once. If you put your CSS together properly, it will control every styling and every color on your web page, and on every page. Okay, good. So what is CSS? CSS is cascading style sheet. Is used for is used to format the layout of a web page. Okay, so it's used to format the layout of a web page. You use CSS to style your page, to put your page in order. Okay, to put your page in order. That's what you use CSS for. Okay, so with CSS you can control the color, font, the size of text, the spacing between elements, how elements are positioned and laid out. You can use your CSS to do all of these things. So that's why we said it is used to format your what? To format the layout of your web page. Okay, so now there are three different ways you can apply your CSS. Okay, you can do inline styling, you can do internal styling, and you can do external styling. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I want to talk about the internal styling of CSS. Okay, by using the style attributes inside your HTML elements. Okay, so that's what we call the inline. So we have been using inline in most of our videos, our recent videos, because we have been putting our style attributes inside our start tag. Okay, we're just going to be reviewing that in this video. Then by the next video we'll go into the internal style of applying your CSS. Okay, good. So the inline CSS style now. So an inline style is used to apply a unique style in a single HTML element. Okay, so an inline CSS uses the style attributes, okay, of an HTML element. We have said that. So the following is an example that we're going to be practicalizing. So let's just copy this code. Okay, we don't even need to copy. Let's just go to our VS Code. Okay, and let's just take this out and let's do something fresh. Okay, so now we have a p tag. Okay, a p tag, and we have the word this is our style testing. Okay, or simply put this is our CSS testing class. Okay, good. So let's save this and let's go to our browser. So we can see this is our CSS testing class, right? Good. So now we want to style this text, this particular element. Okay, this particular element. Okay, we want to style it. So the first way we can do that is using the inline styling. When we say something is in line, that is in line, on the same line. Okay, inline styling. Okay, so we're going to do that now, and that's going to be simply by adding our style attribute. Okay, just as we have been doing. Okay, our style attributes. Okay, so then we want to style. How do we want to style it? Okay, we want to add a color to it. Okay, want to add a color to it and want to make it color is what? Red. So then we save that. Okay, good. We have started styling it. Okay, so we want to do want to add a background color to